Ever wondered what Bitcoin halving is? It's a term that often pops up in conversations about cryptocurrency, but what does it really mean? Take a moment and imagine Bitcoin as a gold mine. Just like miners dig into the earth in search of gold, Bitcoin miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems. When they solve these problems, they're rewarded with Bitcoin. But here's the catch. The number of Bitcoins that miners receive for their hard work is cut in half every 4 years. This is what we call Bitcoin halving. This might sound a bit unfair. Why would the reward suddenly decrease? Well, this is a part of Bitcoin's design. When the mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto created Bitcoin, he made sure that there would only ever be 21 million Bitcoins in existence. By halving the reward every 4 years, we ensure that the last Bitcoin won't be mined until the year 2140. So, what happens when a Bitcoin halving occurs? In simple terms, it reduces the rate at which new Bitcoins are created and slows down the inflation of the currency. This can lead to an increase in the price of Bitcoin as the supply decreases and demand remains constant. However, it's important to remember that many other factors can influence the price of Bitcoin, so a halving doesn't guarantee a price increase. In a nutshell, Bitcoin halving is a process designed to control the supply of Bitcoins and prevent inflation. It's a bit like a built-in economic policy for this digital currency. It happens every 4 years, and it reduces the reward that miners receive for their work, slowing down the rate at which new Bitcoins are created. In summary, Bitcoin halving is a key event in the life of the cryptocurrency, designed to ensure its longevity. It's a method to control inflation, maintain scarcity, and potentially drive up the value of Bitcoin. It's an integral part of what makes Bitcoin, well, Bitcoin. It's a fascinating concept, isn't it? A testament to the unique and intricate design of this revolutionary digital currency.